Hi, this is Shiju, and I'm going to introduce you a new plugin that I created. I don't know whether there are other plugins for this purpose, but I didn't find any, so I thought it will be great to introduce this plugin to you guys. So this is called the Category Auto Generating plugin, and I named it CAD AutoGen. So basically, this what it do for you. Here you can see there are no categories right now uh, showing on my dashboard. So it is very time consuming uh, job to name a category and give the slug and create new categories. So it takes a lot of time if you have a lot of categories, right? So what I came up with the plugin, it auto generate the list of category from the list that you insert into that plugin. So you don't need to manually insert it and create each category. So I'm gonna show you how to install it. So for that, you have to go to plugin and then click on add new. On the next page, you can see an option for upload. So click on the top, and so you have to click here, upload, and then select the file. You can drag and drop, or you can select the file from the folder where you are wherever you saved it. So even it is in the download or wherever you kept. So you just go to that folder, select the zip file called AutoGen zip, and then click on open. Now to install it, you click on install. Now it is installed, and now we have to activate it. Click on activate. Now we have an activator plugin here. You can see the new menu created on your left hand side called AutoGen. Now to use it, click on AutoGen. Now it will take you to this page where you paste all your category. So for that, I have some simple category here in my notepad. You can see there are a couple of categories here. So I'm going to copy it first. Click on here and you paste it here. Now you have all the category here, which you want to create on your on your category list. Now you simply need to click on generate categories. Now you can see all the categories are generated successfully. So of to cross check it, we can go to the category, click on posts, and then go to categories. Now you can see all the categories being created on my dashboard. So it makes the life easier. I would say that even you have thousands of uh, categories. It is in a one click you can create all the categories simply into your WordPress dashboard. And plugin can be used on any kind of WordPress project. So thanks for watching. I'm giving the uh, link below. You can go and download it free. You can use it for free. There is no charge, or you don't need to pay for the plugin. And thank you so much for watching, and uh, see you on the next video. Thank you.